finally, most awaited video is came here. You can get Claude Opus 4.8, GPT 5.6 and Gemini 3.1 Pro and Flash for 2 years provided by Figma, not other platform. Figma Education Plan provide you with the intelligence, Anthropic model, Open AI model and Gemini model in one place for 2 years. Okay, then let's get started. First, use any browser that you are comfortable and search for the Figma Education Plan. And if you didn't have account in Figma, first create your account. First click on get started for free and create your Figma account. After that, get back here and start from the get verification. Here you can see it will mention get the free Figma education plan for your classroom. Are you an educator or administrator? Sign up using the form below. If you are student, educator and administrator and your age is more than 18, then you can get the access of this Figma free plan. First it will ask what type of institute do you attend or work. Select your school, college, university where you have currently studying. I am going to select higher education and it will ask do you have a school issue email ID. If you have the email ID with .edu which is provided by your university, then you can continue with your email ID, or if you didn't have email ID then you can also continue with it. Today I will show you by using the normal account. Okay, select no. You confirm that you are a student, educator or administrator. Enroll, then again select yes and I agree. Next it will ask are you student, educator or administrator. Select student. What is your primary field of study? Select anyone. I'm going to select the computer science. Then expected graduation date. Select your actual expected graduation date. At the end it will ask your identity. It need to match. Okay, I'm going to select November 2027. Then next it will show get the free Figma education plan for your classroom. Just wait a second, then it will open the verification form here. Select your country, provide your college name. It will suggest I'm going to choose my college name. Provide your first name and last name, your actual date of birth that will be reflected in your ID card. Keep in mind it need to be your actual date of birth. Provide the same email account that you have login with Figma. Then verify your student. It will show the verification email through your mail. Check your email and email has been sent to this email ID. Please check for email. Okay, then open your email and verify from there. Let's get your access. After you get this verification from Figma, click on finish verification. It will open the exclusive student offer page. Here it will mention that to continue upload document that confirm you are student status, where it might be your student ID card, class schedule, tuition receipt or something else that need to be reflect you are student. Okay, most easiest will be the school ID, your university ID, college ID. In your document must include your full name that you have provided in the form and academic institution name and logo, current academic year and your ID card expiration date. After this all, add the documentation. I am going to choose my ID card, upload it here. It might be PNG, JPG or JPEG format. Other than that, it didn't accept it. Everything will be mentioned there. You can see JPG, PNG or PDF. After you have submit, you are under in review. It will take up to 20 minutes, but I will get it within the 5 minutes. Okay. If your application is rejected or accepted, you can receive the mail where my application will be accepted. Welcome to the Figma education plan. You are now verified as a student and have access to our education plan, which gives you all the benefits of our professional plan for free. Follow these steps to unlock access. Create, upgrade or join an education team. Without following this step, you won't see professional feature in your team. Don't worry, I'm here to instruct you the each and every steps. After that, click on create, upgrade or join. Then it will mention here the everything. Create, upgrade or join a team. Once your education status is verified, you can create or upgrade the team your plan to use as your educational team. You can create new team or upgrade your existing team that will be in Figma. Okay, you can easily create new team or upgrade. I'm going to upgrade my previous team where I have 3 to 4 team in my Figma that I have created. or you can easily create team in Figma as well. After that, go to your Figma homepage, figma.com. Then in the left side, you can see your profile, recent, community, and your team. Currently, my team is in the free plan. Okay. You can see, and at the bottom you can see you are verified for the Figma education, ready to upgrade a team for free. Or if you are new in Figma, you can easily create new team here as well. At the same time, not only you can get the intelligence model, if you want you can invite your friend as well. Then in the my team section, you can see currently I have 4 team, or you can easily create new team. You can see all are free plan. Until now all are free plan. I have not upgraded. Currently I am using my team. This is only the name. After that, in the bottom left corner it will show this choose team, and I am going to choose this my team. You can choose any team. Almost done. You can see my team education plan, total cost will be the 0. It will ask for the permission, complete upgrade. Now you are ready to use. Your plan is converted into the educational plan. If you want, you can also upgrade some other team as well. I'm going to close my all the tab, and I'm going to open new interface of figma.com. Okay, then it will automatically open your team that you have selected. Here in the right top corner you can see design, slide, and make. Click on this make section here, then you are navigate to the chat or make window of the Figma. If you can select on this default section, you can see Claude Sonnet 4.6 is available, Claude Opus 4.8 is available, Gemini 3 Flash is available, Gemini 3.1 Pro is available, and GPT 5.6 is available completely for free. And it will mention use more credit per task than other option. A warning about Opus 4.8. Opus 4.8 is the great for deep work, but it consumes AI credit quickly. And if you want simple tasks, use lightest model. If you want heavy and complex tasks, use those model which takes more credit like Claude Opus and GPT 5.6. After this all, I will demonstrate you by creating one simple project. I'm going to create one website for my YouTube channel. Sorry for this spelling mistake. It doesn't matter. I'm going to create one website for my YouTube channel WTF code, where you can add any file, image, you can add design as well here. Here I have provided my channel link. It will start to work. This is the trusted way where you can get 2-year plan. This is not unlimited plan. It is limited. It will provide decent amount of token for you, and token will be reset in every month. First it will read, think, and it will start to work. Best part about it is here you can see the code and output as well. Now it will complete it. This is the website. You can see done. How does this look? To see the actual output, go to the top right corner and view it in full screen. For the first time it will take just a minute to load. After that didn't takes time. Okay, this is the full screen view where it will provide video, topics, about, it will cover everything. Subscribe button at the top, new video every Thursday, watch video, browse video. This is the dummy data where I didn't provide any actual data here. I only give the YouTube link where it will add my YouTube link here. If you provide best output, then there will be the possibility to build the best input. I have just provided one line of prompt to test does it work or not. Okay, this is the way that you can use Figma education plan for your daily life. Here, this is the coding section. Every code will be structured here. Folder will be structured, code will be properly structured. This is the Claude Opus 4.8. One of the most intelligence model that will be available is in the current market. You can see here I have the 4 team, 3 will be in free plan and 1 in education plan that we have just upgrade. Best part about it, if you didn't upgrade as your student plan, then you can still get some credit and you can still get some of the model, not Claude Opus, some other model. Other than Claude Opus 4.8, you can get access of this model. But in free, you can get less credit and less intelligence model. If you upgrade it, then you can get more intelligence model and you can get more credit. This is the one of the best way that you can currently use in the education plan. It didn't ask anything. It didn't ask your university email. Only from your ID you can access this all. You can see in education plan, Claude Opus will be available here. In default free plan, Claude Opus 4.8 is not available. That's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well, and happy coding. Bye bye.